Hey guys, Glenn Murray. How are you? Hope you're doing good. It's been a while. We've had a whole bunch of little changes going on. Actually, my wife has been going crazy with doing Zoom meetings, so the office space has been very limited. So we've been kind of trying to share it, and I've been really working on some different blogging techniques. So I've kind of let a couple of weeks of videos go dormant. So, but here it is back. This is called Becoming a Super Affiliate. I'm going to talk about three mistakes. I'm going to talk about affiliate marketing because I found, oh, by the way, hit subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel already. This channel is about making money online, how to be a better affiliate marketer, how to basically make money online using different affiliate marketing tools, blogging, video, social media. Although I'm finding social media is not what it's cracked up to be. Yes, you can get a lot of engagement, but man, if you don't keep that engagement up, it just goes so away so quickly. So really focusing on evergreen products, kind of thing like that. So this is called Becoming a Super Affiliate. First and foremost, stay away from silly affiliate marketing blunders. And why I'm looking down here is because we've got two screens going now, and I've got my notes here for this. And also, this is on my blog. Actually, this is just an excerpt from the blog I wrote, and I'll put a link to the blog below. It's basically really getting in depth about affiliate marketing and how to really become a super affiliate. But first off, what is affiliate marketing? A lot of people don't actually even know this. A lot of people are confused that affiliate marketing is almost like pay per click. Like, I've had so many people say, "Oh, I want to join your program," and I go, "Great, have you done affiliate marketing before?" And yeah, yeah. I go, "Okay, explain to me what affiliate marketing is." Well, I just get someone to your website, and I go, "Well, yes, but you don't get paid for that." I don't get paid for that. So a lot of people think that just by getting people to a website or to a landing page, that's how you get paid. And that is not how you get paid in affiliate marketing, guys. The reality is a sale has to happen unless you are doing pay per click or what is it, click per cost or whatever, that kind of marketing where you can get paid if someone just basically fills out a form. That there is that marketing, but that marketing is less and less and less. People are paying less and less for that because there's so many ways to do a fraudulent pay-per-click campaign. You can get bots signing up, and you can use VPNs from all over the world. So people, it's just not trustworthy anymore. So way more, it's about making sales. And guys, you want to be making sales. Pay-per-click is, you got to drive so much traffic to make minuscule amount of money. Whereas when you do affiliate marketing right and you target it, you can get, with just a little bit of traffic, you can have $1,000 days, not a problem, because you're targeting the right people, you're putting the right content in front of people. So the first thing is, don't put out crappy websites. And if you have bought anything that I may have promoted in the last year that does automatic content, I apologize, because realistically, guys, I tried all that stuff, and while I was driving traffic, it was bouncing off so quickly because basically people are tuned into that, like getting Creative Commons, like taking a YouTube video and turning it into content where it's not formatted or nothing like that. People are going to hit your page and they're going to bounce out, and Google's going to go, that's not the page for that, and boom, your rankings are going to go lower and lower. What you need to do is provide good content that's going to grow, that's going to get more and more authority. So you want to be writing longer blog posts, and it's actually easy to do. There's so much PLR out there that you can take, and you can take a bit of this and a bit of that, and really do your research. I'm spending now. I used to spend a little bit of time. I'm spending now anywhere from an hour to 2 hours taking a PLR piece and really taking the information there, or actually taking two or three PLR pieces. If you don't know what PLR is, it's private label rights, and putting it into one really good informative post. And I'm seeing it in my traffic going to my websites. Now I've got multiple websites going. They're being monetized by, there's AdSense on them, so there's ads being paid on there, but there's also people going there, and the way I've got it set up is my main affiliate programs and are being promoted there, but I'm also collecting emails on a daily basis from these blogs. So this again, this is pointing, I'm doing a video here to point back to a blog article that I want you guys to go look at, to read, to learn more about that. So the first mistake that so many people do is making a crappy website. Don't make a crappy website. It doesn't have to be all shiny and it doesn't have to be all bells and whistles. It just has to be clear and precise. I'll show you what my websites are starting to look like, guys. Very, very, here, let me go to the site here. Let's see, update. I'll show you guys what basically, Cam Live, Google Chrome. Okay, so as you guys see, super simple, right? Super simple. I've got basically a banner, work with Glenn Murray. I've got a few things, but really I want to get people focused on my blog. And then you'll see this is what we're working off right here, Affiliate Marketing Mastermind, Ultimate Hack to Becoming a Super Affiliate. So this is the actual post that we're doing this video on, and I'll send you a link to. It's got AdSense on it, so there is ads in the program. On the right here, I've got a email collection. Like if someone clicks that, I'll collect their email. If someone clicks this, they're going to collect my email. I'll get an email. Scroll down through the article. All of these are all lead capture stuff, guys. Another ads going on there. And I've got my own ads that just right here is one of my own. This is a lead capture. Continue down. And basically everything, this whole thing is for lead capture, right? Like that's the whole purpose of this website. But guys, it doesn't have to be bells and whistles. It's simple, it's clean, and it's easy for people to really take a look at. All right, so basically the first mistake is making a cheap website. Don't make a cheap website. Make a good website. Put on good product, a good content on it. Okay, let me find my notes here. Good time to subscribe right now, guys. Okay. Second one. Okay. Choosing products that are not relevant to your website. Now, if you've got a website about beauty, health and wellness, or something like that, right? You've got a health and wellness website, and you all of a sudden start selling financial information. It's not congruent, guys. You need to be congruent. So you can so think about what you're going to be promoting and decide, like, am I going to promote, you want to be in a niche, but you don't go so narrow that you can't expand out, right? You don't want to be like, I'm only going to sell left-handed knives, right? You want to be able to that would be a fine one, because then you could expand out to a whole bunch of stuff. But you don't want to be, you want to keep it where you've got lots and lots of products that you can promote within a niche. That's why my websites are mainly about making money online. I do have reviews on my site, so the reviews are about affiliate products. And then I do have a general website called howdoyou.me, and I'm just trying a whole bunch of different stuff there. Just it's sort of my experimental site to see what you can get away with and see what kind of traffic you can get when you have a generic sort of kind of a Wikipedia type site where you've just got information about everything. And see, I'm just experimenting with it. So I'm throwing up a couple of posts a week on that and just seeing where that goes from there. But really, guys, if you want to, like, I'm doing that because I've done my other websites are already focused. So I'm trying that as an experiment. That would never be my first site. First site would be whatever the niche is. So make money online. If you're doing weight training, if you're doing weight loss, if you're doing woodsheds, if you're doing travel, whatever it is, make it about that. So that's the second blunder. Another one is failing to update your website, and this is where so many people. Well, this is like 95% of the people. You make a New Year's resolution, right? How long into January or February is it before 95% of the people quit? Same thing. People jump on. They're like, I'm gonna make a web blog or I'm gonna make a blog, and basically, week one, yeah, 5 articles. Week two, 3 articles. Week three, 1 article. Week four, week five, and maybe they get one more article, and then they forget about it. Right? It happens. I've done it. Right? Same thing with YouTube. I fell off doing almost daily YouTube videos because other stuff started happening, and I had a conversation with my wife, and I said, no, we gotta figure out time that I can get back in there and do it. And I know we've got kids online schooling, this whole COVID thing. We don't have as much time during the day because our kids are all around us, so we're kind of trading off, and she's just getting busy because she's an excellent Zoom facilitator. So all these people that are doing online meetings are just calling her, like, hey, book, strata companies and trainers and all this stuff. So she's doing a ton of work like that. So she actually needs the office more than I do. But anyways, I'm sidetracking there. But basically, where was I? Oh, going back to updating my YouTube channel. So that's why I'm jumping back on. We're going to make time so that these videos will be coming out. They're going to be corresponding with the blog posts I'm writing as well. And I think that's it. Like I said, I want you to go read the article. Now, here's the pro tip on how you're going to be a super affiliate. Don't try not to promote any products without creating a proper landing page and basically collecting an email before you send them to the product. Now, if you want some of my landing pages, I'm giving them to you for free. Go to affiliateprofitpages.com and you can just sign up there, and what you'll get a whole bunch of emails, and these are emails I'm still sending out. I've got to update it, but there's emails that are working that's generating $100 to $300 days on ClickBank. We've got the funnels that you can use to capture emails. So here's the reality, right? You want to start creating content so you can start collecting emails. And the more emails that you can collect on a daily basis, then you turn around and you're going to email these people each day, right? You're going to send them an email in the morning or in the afternoon or whenever you're doing it. I don't know when the best time is because it seems like it's different for every single marketer. I was sending a bunch of emails in the morning. They were opening really well, and then they stopped. So then I started doing it in the mid-afternoon evening, kind of like about 8 o'clock on the East Coast. Boom! My open rate went from 9 and 10 squeak into 11, 15, 16%, right? So I was like, holy cow! Click-through rate went way up, and I was like, oh, wow! So I'm trying to do it at that time of day. I don't know if it's because just the changes in the world or whatever. But you always want to be collecting an email. So go to affiliateprofitpages.com, sign up there, and this is free. You get the free landing pages. It's basically a funnel that has a whole bunch of different landing pages for different products. There's Warrior Plus products in there, and there's ClickBank products in there. You basically just adjust it to your autoresponder, right? And then you put your affiliate link in for that program, and boom, what happens is they opt in, they go onto your list, then they're taken to the offer, and the offer is congruent. The landing page is congruent with whatever offer is coming up for you. So go ahead and do that. I'm also going to put my recommendations for really great marketing programs. Almost all the stuff that I promote, I am a member of. I've bought it and I used it, or I know that it's good for people to, when they're getting started, to make money with. Okay, so make sure you hit the subscribe, the like button, and I'm going to see you much sooner than later. And make sure that you're checking out the programs below. All right, cheers.